Mechanical keyboards have surged in popularity as typists and gamers seek a more tactile, responsive experience. Enthusiasts prize switch type for feel and actuation, solid build quality for longevity, thoughtful layout for efficiency, and strong value for the money. This guide evaluates those factors.
List number 1. Sawgrass SG1000 VersaFlex Printer Bundle. Professional desktop print quality with VersaFlex flexibility. The Sawgrass SG1000 VersaFlex bundle is positioned as a small shop, high-quality solution for decorators who want to move beyond classic sublimation into more textile-friendly transfers. Built on Sawgrass's proven printing platform, the SG1000 accepts VersaFlex inks and media that are specifically formulated to produce wash-durable transfers onto porous surfaces, such as cotton, blends, untreated wood, making it attractive for small apparel brands doing runs of polos, tees, and specialty fabric items. Physically, it's a desktop printer that handles up to 11 by 17 prints, which gives you a useful mid-sized working area, big enough for most apparel fronts and many all-over accents, without committing to a large industrial press. The bundle usually includes VersaFlex install inks and media sheets, so you can start producing prints right away. Performance and color. Sawgrass emphasizes color management and profiling. Prints are consistently vibrant when you use the VersaFlex ink and media combo and the company's TruePix or design workflows. Expect very good detail on photographic artwork and smooth gradients. VersaFlex is optimized to bond well with textile adhesives during heat application, which improves hand or feel and longevity compared with some generic transfer methods.
List number 2. PYD Life DTF Printer A3 Transfer Printing Machine. Budget A3 DTF with A3 A4 flexibility. The PYD Life A3 DTF machine is a value-oriented direct-to-film system aimed at hobbyists, startup shops, and crafters who want A3 capability without industrial footprint or price. It's typically built around an Epson-style printhead, commonly XP600 F1080 replacements, and accepts A3 sheets or smaller rolls. The listed max printable width is about 13 inches, which accommodates A3 media and many common apparel transfer sizes. The machine emphasizes ease of use, single-head design, simple rip or driver setup, and bundled consumables on many retail listings. Print quality and white handling. Because DTF relies on a white layer plus CMYK, white ink handling is crucial. Listings for the PYD Life unit highlight a single F1080 XP600 head and a white ink circulation system to reduce clogging and improve white consistency. For photographic and halftone work, the results can be impressive at moderate resolution. For ultra-fine detail or very high-speed production, you'll find the single-head A3 approach slower than multi-head industrial units.
List number 3. Sawgrass SG500 VersaFlex Printer Bundle. Compact, reliable color, and VersaFlex transfers. The Sawgrass SG500 with the VersaFlex bundle targets users who want the proven Sawgrass color platform in a slightly smaller footprint and price point than the SG1000. The SG500 typically supports 8.5 by 11 standard media out of the box, with optional bypass or tray expansion, and ships with VersaFlex inks and media in starter kits. That makes the SG500 ideal for single-item personalization and mid-volume orders. Sawgrass's VersaFlex chemistry is intended to deliver superior adhesion and washability on porous fibers compared with generic thermal transfers. Color management and output. Sawgrass's strengths are consistent color reproduction and software support. The SG500's print engine and bundled inks provide punchy, accurate color profiles and stable gradients, a real advantage for sellers delivering product images to online marketplaces where color consistency is critical. The printer has self-maintenance routines and a reputation for stable, reliable operation in small business settings.
List number 4. Lancelot A3 L1800 DTF Transfer Printing Machine with Roll Feeder, A3 L1800 based DTF with roll capability. The Lancelot A3 L1800, often marketed as L1800 or L1800 style DTF bundle, brings an Epson L1800 printhead architecture to an A3 roll-to-sheet DTF workflow. That platform is proven in many low-cost DTF builds: robust white ink circulation, sheet and roll feeding, and the ability to pair with an oven and powder shaker for a complete production line. The Lancelot listings often include a roll feeder, white ink circulation, basic oven, and a laptop consumables bundle, which means you're closer to a turnkey setup than buying a printer alone. Print speed and image quality. With the L1800 head, you'll typically see respectable photo reproduction and solid halftone detail at medium resolution modes. Listed print speeds for similar L1800 A3 systems are in the several minutes per A3 range, varies by pass and RIP settings, and yield good trade-offs between throughput and quality. The white ink circulation system and optional automatic cleaning features are important for avoiding white ink dropouts and nozzle issues that plague less mature DTF builds. Workflow and reliability. Lancelot and similar manufacturers emphasize support videos and an integrated bundle, oven, powder, and shaker, to simplify the finishing steps, critical for reliable adhesion and hand feel. However, buyers should expect occasional tinkering. Head alignments, ink system priming, and maintaining powder ovens are part of the ownership experience.
List number 5. Foxmind A4 DTF Printer Transfer Printing Machine. Compact A4 DTF for desktop production. The Foxmind A4 DTF package is a small, highly affordable DTF system focused on desktop workstation users and crafters. It's commonly sold as an A4 printer plus oven, plus software, plus inks, plus film bundle, which makes it attractive for makers who want a complete, out-of-the-box setup for single-item personalization, sample production, and micro batches. The A4 maximum media size means it's not suited for large front prints, but it's perfect for chest prints, patches, sleeves, and accessory work. Quality and limitations. On A4 hardware, you can get excellent color and fine detail for small artwork. White handling and powder application are the major determinants of final print quality and washability. The compact size reduces studio footprint and consumable costs per job, but throughput is limited compared with A3 and L1800 based systems. Many Foxmind kits include 5x 250ml ink sets and pre-matched film, making startup simpler. Ease of use and support. As a product aimed at hobbyists and small startups, Foxmind bundles try to simplify setup with software and oven pairing. Expect a learning curve for consistent powder distribution and oven curing. Those finishing steps make or break transfer durability.